Well, good time to then, go to our next corporate conversation then. The company in focus is NHPC. Recently, there was, the unfortunate event of a big, massive landslide, which impacted the company's Teesta V power station and damaged several parts of the structure as well. But we must remember that there was heavy flash flooding last year. This is October 23, because of which anyway, this particular power station was in a state of shutdown. So talk about the outlook ahead. I mean, what happens in terms of just assessing the impact of this event and the broader outlook for the company. We have with us Mr. Kumar Chaudhary, Chairman and Managing Director of NHPC. Mr. Chaudhary, thank you so much and great to have you on the show. So first of all, we really hope that there was no loss to human life. Just tell us what's the update on these. I'm guessing in any case, all of these are completely insured. So no financial implications on the company, I assume, because anyway the plant was in shutdown?
Yes, you are right that during the last year, October, the glacial lake outburst was there. And due to that incident, the plant was suffered damage apart from other power station and plant. So the plant was under shutdown, no generation was going on. On 21st of this month, August, there is a landslide just above the TRT outlet structure and GIS building. So that landslide, it is a natural phenomenon. There was nothing because since last 16 years, the plant was in operation and the slope was stable. So due to this monsoon rain and other geological phenomena, the landslide was there. And there is a loss of this TRT gate operation hoist structure and GIS building. Yes, GIS building. These are all insured. So under mega insurance policy, these are insured.
Correct. So we're just trying to understand now what happens to the timelines. I mean, you were anyway looking to get Teesta V back on stream. Now there's a landslide issue as well. So what is the timeline that we're looking at by when this plant can come back on stream? And what is the contribution? What is the projected contribution of this one plant to your overall output? So we just know how much is off stream when it comes on stream and what is the contribution when it does?
Before this incident, we were planning to bring back the Teesta V into generation by March, April next year. And we were doing the restoration works as per the schedule. So this incident has, has taken the project generation plan delayed. So now we are expecting that within 1 year, it will take almost 1 year or around that. So we will bring back the generation of the power station back.
And so should we say December, sir, should we say December 2025? Now we're in 24. I'm just trying to understand. When you say 1 year.
Almost. Because GIS structure and pothead yard structure are damaged. So GIS gas insulated switchgear, we will just tender. Just our incident, our expert team visited the project site from head office, and our director project also visited the project site. And just we are working on the how to restore quickly.
Okay, so maybe third quarter of next financial year, but then I think we should talk about the rest of the business in the meantime.
And you have asked the generation, what will be the generation? So the annual generation is around 2,500, very good project, 2,500 million units.
Okay, Mr. Chaudhary, good morning. So three questions. Who is the insurer, sir? Who's the counterparty?
National Insurance. National Insurance.
Okay, National Insurance. And what's the claim amount?
Claim amount, we are just assessing. However, we have intimated the insurance company as 400 crore. The previous incident, last year incident also, we are in the process. We have received some advance payment also from the insurance company, around 200 crore. So
no, for this incident you've received?
Yeah, this incident not. The last year incident.
Last incident. So that's what I'm trying to understand. When you typically, how long does it take? You file now, and I mean, it takes for the money to come in, for the claim to be honored. How long? What's the process? What's the cycle look like?
We have already intimated to the insurance company regarding the incident of loss, and we have intimated that we are assessing preliminary assessment. We have intimated 400 crore, but in detail, because we have to give the calculation and all details. So around. We will give the detail of loss to the insurance. We will submit the detail of loss to the insurance company.
All right. Hi, Mr. Chaudhary. So we have got a fair idea about this particular project. Let's understand business on the whole, because that's something that the market is looking forward to. For this year, what kind of a revenue growth are you looking at? Top line, bottom line, if you could give us a guidance. And also, you had an ambitious plan for 2028, when a lot of projects will already be on stream. So what's the targets over there?
We are expecting that whatever we have achieved the revenue and the annual generation during the last financial year, though we are expecting the same to be achieved during this year also.
So a 10% growth, sir, in comparison to the previous year?
No, similar, same generation we are going to achieve. Next year, we are going to achieve more. So this financial year, we are going to commission the Parvati 2 800 megawatt project by the end of December. We are targeting that is 800 megawatt, and that generation for 3 months we are expecting. And with that commissioning, we are expecting some increase in the generation of Parvati 3 also, because the tailwater will go to the reservoir of Parvati 3. So, but there is less water in the river. So during this monsoon period, we are getting lesser water and lesser generation in comparison to previous year. So with commissioning of Parvati 3 and this, will be all achieving the similar generation and revenue profit.
You know, Mr. Chaudhary, last year you did close to around 9,600 crores. Previous year it was 10,600. So you have been in that vicinity of around 9,500 to 10,500 crores on the top line. Your current market capitalization, I think, is close to around 96,000 crores. And for the last year, you did around 4,000 crores of PAT. So let's focus on the bottom line. This year, what will your PAT look like? And for 2028, post Parvati coming on stream and the other factors that you've mentioned, what can your bottom line look like?
Bottom line also, this year we are expecting the similar around 4,000
crores. And 2028?
From the next financial year, it will be increased to 7,000 crore. Next
7,000.
Because Parvati 2, Parvati 3 and Suvansi, we are going to commission 3 units, 750 megawatt during the March of this financial year. So that accumulates this financial year 24, 25 and 26, 27. So we'll increase the PAT to 7,000 crore.
In 27, right? In FY27.
Oh, yeah.
28, 27, 28.
27, 28. I hope your team is on board, sir. You know, they seem to be hinting something. So we are taking it from you here on CNBC-TV18 that in this year, the PAT will be more or less stable. But in FY28, it's around 7,000 crores, right?
Yeah, FY28, it will be around 7,000 crore. More than that.
For all this capex that you've lined up for the next 7 to 8 years, earlier we were working with a number, I think, of around 12 to 13,000 crores. Then it was increased to around 15,000 crores. So tell us, what is the fresh guidance on the capex, and break it down for us as well.
This year, our capex is more than 11,000 crore. And we have already spent 3,200 crore by July end. We are on the target. Last year, we spent more than 8,000 crore capex. So we achieved more than 83% of the target. But this year we are on the target and we'll achieve more than 11,000 crore capex.
Sir, just one last number. You've already given us the way the profitability will increase as Parvati 2, 3 and Subansiri come on stream. The regulated equity, I believe it's close to 12,800 crores as of now. As these projects are commissioned, how will the regulated equity increase? So just give us the numbers FY25 and FY26 and then going into 27-28.
FY28 till FY28, the regulated equity will be 29,000 crore.
Okay.
And this year, I mean, this year
same.
This year it will be the same, and then goes up to 29,000 crores.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Just one point, Mr. Chaudhary, and I don't know if you see this as a risk. These increasing sort of weather-related developments, I mean, be it landslides or flash floods, and I mean, you have to operate in regions which are susceptible to these weather events, right? Natural disasters, etc. I mean, how sure is that? When you see this as a risk or something that one just lives with, and financially, does it have any implications? I mean, do premiums go up substantially? I mean, you can give us a sense, sir.
Yeah, you are right that with such incident, the insurance premium have gone almost double or more than that. 500 for our mega insurance policy, more than 500 crore annual premium. Such a natural incident and geological incident are expected in the young Himalayas. Only thing now the government agencies, various government agencies and including NHPC, focusing on the early warning system. So with the help of early warning system, we can know about the incident earlier, and so that we can minimize the loss of lives or loss of properties.
Got it. What is the annual premium now, sir? I mean, what you pay out every year?
500 crore mega insurance policy. Yeah.
500 crores, and this is the annual number, and this is what you paid out in what you will pay out in 25, or what you paid in 24.
Same 500 crore.
500 crores. Okay. Got that. Thank you very much, Mr. Chaudhary. Appreciate you joining in and running us through all of that details. So FY28, big numbers, big plans. So from 4,000 crores, number goes up, but the PAT level goes up to 7,000 crores. But that's still, I mean, sometime down the line. 96 on NHPC. It's come off the highs, of course, and now consolidating.